Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Thursday. And which date today? 21st of January 2021. What is the weather like today? Sunny day. Today is sunny day. Okay, let's start our day with ABC song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be. Learn my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, class, now start phonics. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Okay, class, today we will do something new. something new. Our topic is what comes after. Okay, firstly we will do the activity. Topic is what comes after. We have two lines. And which letter is this? Capital E and small e. E says A. E says A. And which letter is this? Capital K and small k. K says Ka. And which letter is this? Capital S and small s. S says Sa. Which letter is this? Capital U and small u. U says A. Capital Y and small y. Y says Y. Okay, now class, tell me which letter is this? Capital E and small e. And what comes after E? Which letter comes E? Okay, now see. F. Capital F and small f. Capital F and small f. F says Fa. F says Fa. Okay, class, tell me which letter is this? Capital K and small k. What comes after K? What comes after K? Okay, look at this. L. Which letter is this? Capital L and small l. Capital L and small l. L says L. Okay, tell me which letter is this? Capital S and small s. And what comes after S? Okay, look at this. T. Capital T and small t. T says ta. T says ta. T says ta. And which letter is this? Capital U and small u. And what comes after U? V. Capital V and small v. V says va. And which letter is this? Capital Y and small y. What comes after Y? Z. Capital Z and small z. Capital Z and small z. Okay, class, must try this activity at your home. Okay, class, open your notebook. Today is Thursday, 21st of January 2021. And today we will do the topic what comes after. Okay, class, tell me which letter is this? Capital E and small e. And what comes after E? Which letter comes E? F. Okay, now we will write letter F here. Capital F and small f. Okay, now tell me which letter is this? Capital K and small k. And what comes after K? L. Okay, well now we will write letter L here. Are you getting, class? Yes. Okay, and tell me which letter is this? Capital S and small s. What comes after S? T. What comes after S? T. Okay, now we will write letter T, capital T and small t. T says cha. T says ta. Okay, and tell me which letter is this? Capital U and small u. What comes after U? Which letter comes U? Comes after U? V. Capital V and small v. Like this. Okay, class, and tell me which letter is this? Capital Y and small y. What comes after Y? Z. Capital Z and small z. Okay, class, complete your work like this and also try this activity at your home and send me your feedback. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.